because let's face it, it's been so long for some of us, we've kind of forgotten. Save your clothes from the soles of your shoes by using shower caps, and when you're packing necklaces, thread them through a straw so that they don't get tangled up. To save space and wrinkles, consider rolling your clothes instead of folding them, and for kids' clothes, you can fold them in these fancy little parcels, which is an entire outfit, so on holiday, you don't even have to think about what they're gonna wear. And if you're worried about how much you actually take away, book a cruise with MSC so there is no luggage weight restriction.
Packing is definitely one of the most stressful parts of planning a trip, especially if you're going on a cruise where you have to prepare for multiple destinations. So here are 3 quick and easy tips to help you get rid of some of that stress before your trip. Choose the right luggage. It's like the most important thing, but it's the part that we all forget. You like lots of different sections in your luggage. You want everything all in one place. Whatever your style of packing is, get the luggage that matches that. Pack in sections. I don't even care how you organize your sections. Just make sure everything is in its own section. This way, you know where to find things instead of rummaging through skirts and shorts and shirts just to find your underwear. Get bags for your shoes. Packing cubes work well, but even a disposable bag will do just fine. This allows you flexibility to move it around your luggage without worrying about your messy shoes ruining your clothes.